Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god!
Chat, look at that.
Yo, is that fucking still alive? Look, guys, this video is all for y'all. My life is low-key
short.
depends on this. Snake is actually moving. Holy shit!
Let me see this.
You guys see the snake? Oh my god!
Chat, should we fight the snake? Oh, look how big this stick is. You think the snake can fight us with this?
Yo, low-key, bro.
Wait, it's moving away.
It's right here, dude. Shit.
It's probably more scared of us than
Guys, it's actually, this video is all for y'all. Oh my god, my life, dude. Oh my god, my career, bro. It's all on this fucking snake. Thanks God they didn't bite me because I'm a good boy. I'm actually a good boy at this point.